Hello everyone, I'm Amy over here. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you today what I found at Costco for $13.99. This is the Bonne Maman 12 Days of Christmas 11 limited edition jars of mini fruit spreads and 1 jar of honey. I absolutely love the holidays, and when I saw this, I just had to get it. I thought it was so pretty. I already buy the Bonne Maman fruit spreads, and I really like them, and so seeing the limited edition flavors, I just had to try it. So it comes with 12 mini spreads, and they are 1 ounce each. Okay, and if we flip it over, it shows the 12 different flavors that you get. So each jar is 1 ounce, and down here it says that it is 60 calories per jar, except for the honey, which is 90 calories. And it says here that this is a product of France and that the best if used by date is June 2023. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, look at this. I think this is just so pretty. Let's go and open this and see what's inside. Oh wow, that is so cute. Let's see, it says, make cherished holiday memories with old traditions and new seasonal flavors. Our carefully crafted limited edition mini jars are the perfect addition to a festive season shared with family and friends. Okay, starting with number 1. This is apricot peach spread. Okay, number 2 is the orange, yuzu, and grapefruit spread. So here's number 3, and it is the Mirabelle plum and spice spread. Number 4 is the cherry elderflower. Number 5 is the grapefruit and dragon fruit. Number 6, rhubarb strawberry. 7, fig cardamom. And oh, here's the honey. Okay, number 9, peach jasmine. Okay, number 10 is the strawberry with star anise. Number 11, mango, raspberry, and lime. And number 12, chestnut orange Christmas spice. Oh, that sounds really good. So this whole thing is just really cute. I think it would make such a fun gift. I personally love it. I bought this one for myself, and I also got one for my sister. I really think it's just so cute. So these jars are small. They're only 1 ounce and they fit right in my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and try a couple of these. I'm gonna try this chestnut orange and Christmas spice. Looks pretty thick. Okay, if you like chestnuts, You will like this. This is really good. I love chestnuts, and I can definitely taste the chestnut in there. It just tastes like chestnut with a hint of orange, and it is delicious. I really like this. This is so good. So the ingredients on this one are chestnuts, cream, sweet oranges, sugar, cinnamon, and ginger. So the ingredients are really simple, which is why I like these. Okay, the next one I'm going to try is the mango raspberry lime. I don't really know what to tell you that tastes like. I can't really taste the mango, the raspberry, or the lime. It just tastes kind of sweet. It's like a sweet, it almost reminds me of like an orange marmalade or something, but just not so orangey, it's just sweet. But it's good. None of the three flavors are coming out too strong. Okay, I think I'll try one more, and this is the peach jasmine flower. Okay, this one definitely tastes peachy. I can't taste the jasmine so much, but it does taste like a peach, but just maybe not a strong peach. And it's sweet. It's very sweet. So this peach with jasmine flower has peaches, sugar, brown cane sugar, jasmine flower extract, concentrated lemon juice, and fruit pectin. So of the three I tasted, I like this chestnut best. It is so good. I can't wait to finish this whole jar. This Bonne Maman 12 Days of Christmas is just such a fun purchase. I hope you guys can find this at your local Costco. Thanks for watching, everyone.